Now let us look at this question which was given in GATE 2019 for 1 mark. This question is on fully associative cache. If you could remember, so far we did not solve the questions on fully associative. So far, we solved questions only on direct mapping or set associative mapping. But we did not solve fully associative mapping questions. Let us solve this question. Okay, now here it goes. A certain processor uses a fully associative cache of size 16 kilobytes. It is a fully associative. It is neither direct map or set associative map. It's a fully associative, mind you. The cache block size is of 16 bytes. Assume that the main memory is byte addressable and uses 32-bit address. The main memory is of 32-bit address size. How many bits are required for the tag and index fields respectively in the address generated by the processor? This is the question. Okay, let us have a look at this. Here we just consolidate. We will consolidate the information. The details that are provided is cache is a fully associative. Cache is fully associative, and the physical memory is equal to 32-bit size. Okay, so physical address is equal to 32 bits. And now we need to divide index, tag, and the word fields, right? First, we need to divide index portion and the tag portion. But hold on, there is a catch here. Here, this is fully associative, right? As this is fully associative, we know that there won't be any index portion at all. There won't be any index portion because a fully associative cache doesn't have addresses. If there are no addresses, there will be no index because in the cache, the addresses will be called as index portion. So in the cache memory, we do not have the index portion. Okay, so the total address field will be divided into only two parts. One is the word field, which is equal to the block size, and the remaining all bits will be for the tag. Okay, so what is the total size? Total size is equal to 32. Okay, so the word, what are the total number of digits that are required to represent the word field? Just have a look at the size of the block. Size of the block is equal to 16. Block size is equal to 16. So the number of digits that are required to represent the word field is equal to 4. Okay, so tag will be equal to address number of digits minus these digits. So 32 minus 4 is equal to 28. Since there is no index here, if you want to get the tag digits, subtract the word field digits from the address digits. Address digits are equal to 32. The number of digits that are required to represent a word field is equal to 4 because the block size is equal to 2 power 4, that is equal to 16. So the number of digits that are required to represent the word field is equal to 4. So all the remaining digits will be only for the tag and there won't be any index portion at all. So the tag field is equal to 28. That is, tag is equal to 28 bits and there won't be any index. Index is equal to 0. Okay, so the option D is the correct option.